For those of you who have been following me here, you know that my highest conviction stock is Tesla. And for those who recently joined us and have not watched my previous videos, I'm a big Tesla fan, both for the car and for the stock. I bought my first Tesla Model S in 2015, but before that, I bought the Tesla stock. So I have Tesla stock in my day-to-day trading account. I have Tesla stock in my long-term account, in my retirement account, my wife, kids, you get the picture. Now, I have always played Tesla in a very conservative way. I mean, I rarely do covered calls, and if I do them, I do it for the next day or sometimes the same day, much further away from the strike price or from the money, because I don't want to lose my shares. And I never sell Tesla shares, even though they reach all-time high, because I have shared my Tesla price thesis with everyone in my previous videos. Well, at least I'm not selling till 2026, 2028, let's put it this way. But I have a huge bet that is going to expire today, which I'm playing, and I have never come this close. So I wanted to share with everyone, as I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's get started. All right, so on your screen is my Tesla bets, or in my Tesla position, not bets. They all are not bets, but Tesla positions. And as you can see over here, I have multiple Tesla positions open at all the times. And I do it on a pretty regular basis, even though I never sell the stock, but I play options and I love to play cash secured puts on Tesla. I have done it for almost 2 years now, and I have made consistent money and sometimes a lot of gains by selling these cash secured put, which helped me to raise more of Tesla shares or Tesla stock for me. So let's take a look step by step, one by one. So before I go into the cash secured put that I have expiring today, let me explain you this right here bet. So yesterday I sold about 24 $975 calls for Tesla, which is expiring this evening. And I got about 29 cents, not a big deal. I could have gone $9.50 and I could have gotten almost $2,400 in one day, which is not bad. But I didn't want to take that risk because, again, I don't like to lose, or even the thought or the possibility of me losing Tesla share. Now, I'm very conservative when it comes to that. Some of you may not agree and you say, you know what, you can buy it right back. I understand all that. But over here, I have about 24 February 20, which is tomorrow, $975 call, and I got about 29 cents, about $800 for this right here. And I'm going to let it expire today because right now I'm gaining about 70%, and by end of today, it'll be 100%. But this is the bet that I'm talking about, and I'm going to actually highlight the bet over here. This right here, I'm talking about right here. Okay, actually, no, that didn't work. Let me do it this way. Okay, so this right here, and we are going to go choose a different color right here. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. All right, so I have 10 cash secured put for Tesla for $900 strike price. That means that if Tesla drops below $900 by end of market today, I will be obligated to buy about 1,000 shares of Tesla at $900 or $900,000. Now, if you see over here, this is right now, I'm gaining about 26% as of yesterday. Now, Tesla stock price dropped yesterday, even though I'm still gaining 26% because we still have one more day. Market right now, it's right at the edge. And this position will go crazy today all day because it's going to go up, it's going to go down depending on Tesla share price. I got paid $37 for it. That means if I end up buying Tesla, or if Tesla closes below $900, I have to buy Tesla for $900, but I've already gotten paid about $37 per share. So my cost on Tesla at that time is going to be $900 minus $37. So I will be buying Tesla for $863. So right now, if you look at it, $863 will be my buy price for Tesla because I've already gotten $37 for that bet. Or if you multiply by that 10, I gotten $37,000 when I did that 2 weeks ago. So this $863 would be my cost for Tesla because I've already gotten $37. Now, Tesla, if it closes, let's say at 890, 880, if I buy 863. So on Monday, I can go ahead and sell these 1,000 shares of Tesla for 890 or 900, whatever that is. So I'm still at the fence. I'm not sure what I'm going to do because if I ended up, let's say, buying Tesla, or because I'm obligated right now, if I don't close this position, I'm obligated to buy Tesla. If I'm obligated to buy Tesla at this price, then I would be going in debt. I'll be going in margin. And if I go in margin, I don't like to go in margin. I like to keep it right where I'm not going into margin and I close these positions. So far, I have done it successfully every week or every other week, and I've never been assigned shares because Tesla always closed above the share price. So the money that I get from selling these cash covered puts, I usually go and buy Tesla shares. And that's why in the last, I would say 6 months, I have continuously bought Tesla share from these cash secured puts. So this is right at the fence. I've never gotten this close because when I sold this at 900, I was pretty confident that Tesla is going to close above, but we know what's going on in the market. And we know what's going to happen this weekend. Russia can invade Ukraine, and if that happens, then we are going to see stock market plummet on Tuesday when it opens, because Monday is a holiday, remember. So it's very, very tricky for me. I could roll this out. I could roll it to next week, let's say for 850. But I like to close it and then open a new position with a new strike price given the market conditions. Because if Russia decides not to invade Ukraine, the stock market is going to go really high and I can get a better premium if I were to go back and sell the 900 again. But if the stock market plummets and if the stock or Tesla comes down to, let's say, 850, then I can go ahead and sell for 750 or 700. I did that. I had the $750 put that I sold last week, which expired 100%, giving me almost $1,000 because I did it on a Thursday. So I continuously do stuff like that with Tesla stock because of how volatile it is, and IV is really, really high on Tesla. It's really perfect opportunity. And worst come to worst, I'll be owning 1,000 more shares of Tesla, which is not the end of the world, but I'll be going in margin. And given the current market conditions, I don't want to go in margin. So that's why I'm still in the fence, not sure if I would like to roll it for a lower strike price, or if I were to just buy 1,000 shares, sell it on Tuesday, or if I just let it ride and see if Tesla goes above 900 by close today, I might end up keeping 100% of it, or $37,000. I'm not sure yet. So now, I would love to own 1,000 more shares of Tesla at 863, but I'll be going in 900K debt, as I told you, which I don't like. But then on the other hand, I can sell these the next week, maybe for 40, 50K more, depending on the price of Tesla. Again, Russia, Ukraine, nobody knows how long it's going to, we are in this mess, or how long it's going to take for them to decide one way or the other. Still a confusion. I'm not sure what I will do, but most likely I'll decide by 3 p.m. today if I am closing this, if I am rolling it, or if I'm letting it expire and keeping everything that I have. So let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for me, and if you like the video, then give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Consider joining our Discord and Patreon, where we talk Tesla, SoFi, stock, investing, and much more, along with my trade alerts. As always, an absolute pleasure to share all of this with you. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.